This is day 2 of my 7 days epic challenge. I know many of us, before thinking of starting content creation, usually feel we need to rob a bank. We need to rob a bank before you can start creating content. Well, I'm here to burst that bubble. You don't need anything much except these 3 equipment I am about to mention. And the third one plays a crucial role of factors in your video. So number 1, camera. But I could say camera isn't compulsory because we can only make use of our smartphone. It's nobody that can afford camera. Just like when I'm making use of my smartphone. Did you see? I'm using my Samsung A24 to record. Are you seeing it? So number 1 is phone stand or tripod. Or better still, if you can't afford a phone stand or tripod, you can look for a flat surface to place your phone so it won't be shaky and not stable. So and you ask yourself, what's the function of phone stand? It makes your videos, it makes you set your phone in one place, not making it shaky. Something like this. Are you seeing? Are you seeing that it's shaky? Something like that. Do you see the difference? So you need a phone stand. The second equipment is very important because it plays a very crucial role. Number 2, microphone. See, microphone comes in different dimension, comes in different category. So don't be scared when I say microphone and think, why microphone? Is it important? What's the function of microphone? Isn't it expensive? See, let me break it down for you. Microphone makes your video audio clearer and makes your audio quality to be good and makes people to hear it well. It isn't expensive like you see it. So microphone isn't expensive. You can still see a microphone for less than 10,000 or 13,000, something like the one I'm using. But wait, let me show you my voice without microphone. You should see it. See that I've moved the microphone now. I've moved it to. I will advise you to get a microphone because it helps you a lot. And then put it back. Okay. Do you hear what I said before? No, I'm not sure because it wasn't clearer. So I said I would advise you to get a microphone because it helps a lot. So let's go to number 3 because number 3 guys, number 1 and number 2. Number 3, light or lightning, or what they call it, ring light. And then you'll be like, why should I add light to my video? Isn't the ray of the sun enough? Well, let me show you my video without lights. Wait, let me show you. How do I look? Tell me. It makes my camera look somehow blurry. It doesn't make it look sharp. Let me on the light back. You see the difference. So how do I look now? Do you see huge difference between when I added light and when I did not add light? Note, adding of light is for when you want to do an indoor content, not outdoor content. So let me show you in my video. See my first video on YouTube. I see the video. What did you notice? It looks blur or somehow, right? Now, check it to one of my latest video. I seen it. Did you see huge difference? And believe me, the 2 videos are shot on the same phone. So you see the power of light in a video. So don't let anyone be saying, it is because the camera is bad. It's because the camera is bad. Your phone is not bad. Don't let everybody see. So don't let everybody to shadow ban it's because you're using Android phone and the camera is not clear. You must use the iPhone. Nah, I lie. Just add lightning to your video. So light helps your camera to be sharper and neater. So the 3 equipment needed are number 1, phone stand or tripod. And if you cannot afford it, you cannot buy it. You can look for a flat surface. Number 2, microphone, because it makes your audio quality good. And if you cannot afford it, use the earpiece, or better still, look for a silent area or place your phone and record. But best is to get a microphone, even if it's 1. You know that there's 2 in 1, but this is what I'm using currently. This one is 2, but you can get one that is single one. And number 3, lights. I am using a LED light pro 600, and you cannot afford a LED light pro, you can get ring light, or you can use the lamp at home, just like I usually do before I could buy my ring light. Are you seeing the video I'm showing you? And if you don't have a light, use the ray of sun. You see that outside in a little bit shade, but sun should be reflecting to you. So I have explained the 3 important equipment and the other options that you can use. And just in case you did not see one of them, you can improvise. And don't let anything stop you from making content. Never give up on your YouTube channel. And I am on the 7 days channel and I don't want to miss any of the video. So do well to subscribe, like my channel, and turn on your notification bell. And check out the playlist as time goes on. And see you in my next video. I am Bulu Vibes. Bye bye.